Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's weather update. So, California is about to get hit with another atmospheric river, and looking at the 18Z run of the NamNest model, rain is currently offshore of Western California, but as we go through the evening into the overnight, our atmospheric river will move on shore, bringing rain to western coastal Oregon and northwestern California by about 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time tonight, and then as we go through the night into tomorrow morning around 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Moderate to heavy rain is going to be falling across most of northwestern California, southwestern Oregon, and the rain is going to slowly push to the east during the day as we go into about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Heavy rain across much of central northwestern California with heavy snow in the Sierra Nevadas and the mountainous areas. And then going into Wednesday night, tomorrow night, rain and snow will begin to push across central into southern California. Heavy snow ongoing across the Sierra Nevadas. And then waking up Thursday morning, waking up to heavy rain in southwestern California and Los Angeles, into Santa Barbara, Isla Vista, Santa Maria. And then the snow continues in the mountains. Snow will move across mountainous Nevada as we go into about 7 to 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Thursday morning, with rain pushing from Los Angeles through San Diego into southeastern California, and then heavy rain will push across Arizona, Utah into southern Idaho, with snow across mountainous Nevada, Arizona, Utah into Idaho as we go through Thursday night into Friday morning. So taking a look at rainfall accumulations over the next 60 hours, going to be looking at a lot of rain across southwestern Oregon and in northern California especially, seeing a widespread 3 to 5 inches of rain, and in some of these higher elevations and along the coast of northwestern California, we could be seeing as much as 7 to 10 inches of rain, and this is going to be leading to some flooding, especially across northern California and southwestern Oregon over the next 24 to 36 hours or so. And then down the coast, along central southern California, we're looking at a good 1 to 3 inches of rain with pockets up to 4 inches in higher elevations in southwestern and west central California. So make sure you're on guard for some scattered flooding if you live down in these areas as well. Taking a look at snowfall accumulations, snowfall accumulations will remain confined to the mountains with a good 1 to 3 feet of snow across the Sierra Nevada mountains from north to south, and could be seeing some isolated locations seeing as much as 5 feet of snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains, as well as the mountains of northern California. Could be seeing a couple of feet in the mountains north of Los Angeles and north of San Bernardino, and a good 3 to 8 inches of snow in mountainous Nevada into Utah as well. Now, taking a look at our current radar as of 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, our atmospheric river is starting to bring some rain on shore into portions of southwestern Washington, western Oregon, and especially off of the coast of northwestern California. We see a whole lot of moderate to heavy rain about to move on shore around Eureka, California. And this will move on shore in the next few hours or so. And taking a look at our National Weather Service's watches, warnings, and advisories, we have flood watches in effect across northern California down through central California. Flash flood watches for Eureka, Redding, Chico, Sacramento, San Francisco, down to southwestern California. Another separate flash flood watch for San Bernardino, Oceanside, San Diego, Palm Springs, and Victorville. Looking at this flash flood watch goes from Wednesday 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to Thursday 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then looking down towards San Francisco, this flash flood watch goes from Wednesday 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Friday 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then looking down towards Southern California at the flash flood watch down here, this flash flood watch is in effect from Thursday 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Friday 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then taking a look at our winter weather alerts across California, we have winter weather advisories in the purples just northwest of Reno and in north central Nevada. Looking at these winter weather advisories, these are in effect from Wednesday 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Friday 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for 3 to 8 inches of snow above 5,000 feet, 8 to 18 inches for higher passes, and below 5,000 feet, less than 3 inches of snow. Could be seeing winds gusting between 50 and 65 miles per hour as well in this winter weather advisory northwest of Reno. And looking across central Nevada, central eastern Nevada, winter weather advisory from Thursday 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Friday 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for half an inch to 4 inches of snow in most of the valleys, 4 to 14 inches of snow across the higher mountains above 7,000 feet, and winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour in White Pine County. Now, looking at some of these winter storm warnings across Northern California, from Wednesday 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for total snow accumulations of 8 to 16 inches with 2 or more feet on peaks and ridgelines, winds gusting as high as 60 miles per hour in Northern California. Looking at the Sierra Nevada for the winter storm warning, this winter storm warning is in effect from Wednesday 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Saturday 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for 1 to 2 feet of snow with locally up to 3 feet of snow at mountain peaks, southerly winds gusting to 65 miles per hour, and then winter storm watches in the southern range from 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday through 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday for 8 to 14 inches of snow above 5,000 feet and 14 to 30 inches of snow above 7,000 feet and 50-mile-an-hour winds. The mountains north of Los Angeles and Santa Barbara, Thursday 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Thursday 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for 18 inches of snow above 7,000 feet, 6 inches between 6 and 7,000 feet, and a dusting of 3 inches between 4,500 and 6,000 feet, and winds gusting to 50 miles per hour. Southwest Nevada, winter storm watches in effect from Wednesday 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time through Friday 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for 5 to 10 inches above 6,000 feet and 45 mile per hour winds. Looking at winter storm warnings in central Nevada from Thursday 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Friday 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Total snow accumulations under an inch below 6,500 feet, 1 to 4 inches between 6,500 and 7,500 feet, and 6 to 16 inches of snow above 7,500 feet, with winds gusting up to 75 miles per hour. Northern Nevada, winter storm warnings from Thursday 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through Friday 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for heavy snow above 6,500 feet. Total snow accumulations of half an inch to 3 inches below 6,500 feet, 4 to 16 inches, winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour in northern Elko County. And then our winter storm watches in southwestern Utah from Thursday 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time through Saturday 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for heavy snow with a greater than 50% chance of snow totals exceeding 12 inches, especially above 7,500 to 8,000 feet. And then southwestern Colorado, a winter storm watch from 5 p.m. Thursday Mountain Standard Time through Saturday 5 a.m. Mountain Standard Time for 10 to 20 inches of snow and 2 feet on favored slopes. So make sure you're preparing for a heavy winter storm in the mountains of the west and looking at the Weather Prediction Center's 1 to 7 day quantitative precipitation forecast. Atmospheric rivers are going to keep on coming as we're going to be seeing a widespread 4 to 10 inches of rain across much of western coastal California, northern California, and rainfall equivalent in the Sierra Nevadas, and across the west, a good 1 to 3 inches of snow or of rain and rainfall equivalent, and about 1 to 3 inches across the plains in the south. So thanks for watching this evening's weather update. Please stay safe and prepare for heavy rain and snow across California and the West. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.